Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I'm the instructor for this practical series on informatics practices with Python Pandas. So in practical number 9, we have to write a program to create a data frame using given index values, calculating cost of items, adding new column and displaying number of dimensions, elements, rows, columns. Okay, to do this, first we have to move to our browser. I will go to my Chrome, then this, then I will open Colab. Click on this link. Once done, I will go to new notebook. Now I will just rename my file name as IP practical number 9. IP practical 9. And here I will write the whole sentence. So I have already done it just to save some time. So you can just note it down here. So we have to create the following data frame with row index as this. So our row index will be like this. This and item name is laptop, mobile, desktop, tablets. Cost are given, quantity is given. We have to calculate total cost. That is the cost into the quantity. And then we have to display number of dimensions, number of elements, number of rows and columns, display top rows and display bottom three rows. Okay, to start with, I will first import pandas as pd, then my data frame, that is df, will pd dot data frame d capital f capital. Then I will start my dictionary as, so my item name will be, you have to keep it in inverted commas as it is strange. Now I will first, this is my first list, laptop. Then I have, in this list I have mobile. So M will be capital. Then I have desktop. Then I have tablet. So this is my first list. Then I have cost. Then I will write cost and it will be a string again. In this I will keep my C capital. Again I have to write one more list. So it will be, if you can see, the cost are have to be in, cost of laptop is 56,000. So I have to write 56,000 first, comma. Mobile I have 12,000. So I will write 12,000, comma. Desktop I have 34,000. So I will write 34,000. In tablet I have 20,000. So I will write 20,000. So we have created one more list. Now I have to create one more list named quantity QTY. In this list I will keep the quantities. So for laptop it is 5, 10, 15, 10. So I will keep it like 5, 10, 15, and then again 10. So This I have created three dictionaries, one dictionary, and in this I have three keys and three value pairs. Okay, so I will write print df. If I execute this program, I will get this output. So here item name, cost, quantity. So I got the index number as 0123, and by these are the default index. But we have to give here 1001 as and 1002 as our index. So first, what will I do? I will add one more pair. So here I will write index and one more list like 1001, 1002, 1003, and 1004. Okay. Now if I execute this, so something is wrong, syntax error is there. So here it will be a comma. If I execute this again, so okay, so this will be my data. Okay, so it's my dictionary will end here, and it is my data, and then we have to comma index. Okay, so this if you want to be in the dictionary. Now if I execute now, syntax error is coming. So we have to put index equal to. So now I'm getting this index as 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Okay, so this way I can create this table here. Now what I have to do, so first question is add a new column total cost into QTY. Okay, so to do this, what we have to do, adding a new column. So I'm just copying it down. It will be my comment. For this I have to adding a new column. Total cost. Since it will be my string, so I will just place it here double quotation and here double quotation. So I will write df, then I have this total cost, and this will be my string value. This will be equal to df and cost. So C will be my capital into df qty. Now print df. Now if I execute this, I will get this, adding a new column, total cost. So I got a new column here, total cost. Okay, so if you multiply 56,000 into 5, you will get this 2,80,000. 12,000 into 10, 1,20,000. Similarly, 5,10,000 and 2 lakh. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we have next a question: display number of dimension. Now if I have to display the number of dimension, I will simply print a here to give a space between two answers. Print, then I have to give control v. So print number of dimension. For number of dimension we have df and dim. And if I execute this, df dot ndim. Okay, so if I execute now, I will get number of dimension 2, and we have a space here, so this print is giving the space. Okay, now if I have, now next question is display number of elements. Okay, so if I copy this, now if I write print number of elements, I have df dot size. So these are predefined functions, so you can just write them down. Ndim for number of dimensions. To get the elements, we have df dot size. Okay, so if I now execute this, I will get number of elements here. Number of elements are 16. How I got 16? So I have 1 2 3 4 4 rows and 1 2 3 4. So 4 rows and 4 columns. So and you have to exclude this index. Okay, so I have 4 rows and 4 columns: item name, cost, quantity, and total cost. Okay, so number of elements is 4 into 4, 16. Okay, so if I want a space between number of dimension and number of elements, you can simply write one, okay, print. If you execute this, you will get a space between them. Okay, now next question is mine: display number of rows and columns. So I will copy this. Now I will print number of rows and columns. So for this I have a predefined function called df dot shape. Now if I execute this, I will get number of rows, columns. So rows is 4, columns is 4. Okay, suppose I want a column here, so I can simply put a column here. And if I want a space between these two, so I will write print. If I execute this, so I got a column here, and I got a space between number of elements and number of rows and columns. So next question is display top rows. And so for displaying top rows, I have print top 3 rows. Display the top 3 rows. I have to write df dot head and top 3 rows. So I will write 3. If I print this, if I execute this by pressing shift plus enter, I will get, so these are my top 3 rows: laptop, mobile, and desktop. Agree? 1011, 1002, and these are my top 3 rows. Okay. So I want a space between these two, a number of rows. So for this, I will just print this. So now if I execute this, I will get a space between these two. Okay. So if I want bottom 3 rows, so I will simply write print bottom 3 rows and print bottom. We will get df dot tail 3, head for the top rows and tail for the bottom rows. So if I execute this program, I get bottom 3 rows. So if you see this, so we have this, these 3 rows are the bottom 3 rows. Okay. So we got 1002, 3 and 4 are the bottom rows, and we want a space between these two. So I will simply go and write here print. That's it. If I enter now, shift plus enter, so I got this answer. Adding a new column, so we have got column of total cost, number of dimensions 2. Dimensions means this is the one is row and one is column. Number of elements 16, so 4 rows and 4 columns. Number of rows and columns, number of rows 4, number of column 4. Top 3 rows 1001, 1002, 1003. Bottom 3 rows 1002, 3 and 4. These are my bottom rows. So this is in the practical number 9. We will meet in practical number 10. Thank you very much.